Hey, what's up guys, Fahazman here. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer data between your different cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, Box and Amazon S3. Cloud storage is an opportunity to download your files on the server with an ability to access to them from any gadget and any place. Over time, most users want to transfer Dropbox to Google Drive or OneDrive. So if you are one of them who want to migrate but don't know the process, this video will help you. With the help of Wondershare in Clouds, you can move files from one account to another without having to download files on your computer. Also, InClouds provides support for most of the cloud services that are available today. So the link is available in the video description. So first install the Wondershare in Clouds app on your system and then sign in into your account, and if you are a new user then just go ahead and click on create a new account and then you can make a new one. You will see the interface like this. Click on Add Cloud Drive and select the source and target cloud services. So for example, you have files on your Google Drive and you want these files also on your OneDrive. Press Authorize Now and then it will prompt you to log in. Here we can add another cloud drive. Do the same process. Once it's all done, now you can see all your files right here. You can download documents or transfer whatever you have on your cloud. Select the files that you want to migrate, and if you just want to migrate some files and not everything, then just go ahead and click on the corresponding cloud name and it will then show you the files in the cloud for you to manually choose what to transfer. Finally, select the folder in target drive and then click on migrate, and within a few minutes all those selected files will be migrated to the target cloud. Instead of migrating, you can also use the Wondershare in Clouds to sync to different cloud services. That way, you can manage the files on both cloud services using a single platform. So for example, I want to sync my Dropbox to Google Drive. Just click that and hit sync. Next we have Management tab. In Management tab, this is where you will be able to see all your files on your drive. You will be able to download files, upload files with ease. You don't have to go to separate program, and you will be able to see all your drives that you have added right here. So that's pretty cool. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.